Are you overwhelmed by all of those face cream out there? Dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, oil skin. How do you know what actually works for you? Today, I'll be helping you figure out your skin type with a quick quiz, and also how to know what you should look for in a face cream. So then, let's simplify your skincare journey. Using the wrong face cream can lead to breakout, dullness, and even more dryness. Do a quick quiz check. No pressure, just 4 questions. I hope you are ready. Are you ready for my question? The first question is, how do your skin feel a few hours after washing it? Do you feel tight? Do you feel greasy? Feeling oil in some area and you're feeling dry in some area? Is your face like that? Do you feel itchy, or do you see redness on your face after washing it? After a few hours on washing your face, let me know down in the comment section. If your answer is A, that simply means you are likely having a dry skin. If your answer is B, you are likely having an oil skin. That is, if you are feeling greasy, you're having an oily skin. If you are feeling tight, you're having a dry skin. If you are feeling both, that is, you're having oil skin, and that is, you're feeling tight and greasy. That means you're having combination skin. If you are feeling redness or itchy, that means you are having sensitive skin. And if you are not feeling any of these that I just listed, that simply means you are having a normal skin. Drum roll. You are having a normal skin. You don't have issue with your skin. You don't have any gallop on your skin. And the second question is, are your pores visible or large in some certain area? Let me know that in the comment section. Question number 3, do you experience flaky or dryness during the day? Let me also know that in the comment section. While question number 4, which is the last question, is, do new products often irritate your skin? Let me know down in the comment section. Trust me, your girl is always down in the comment section. So if you drop your answer, surely I'm going to respond back to you. That is why I'm asking you this question, for we to even personally engage more. So it's better for you to drop your answer down in the comment section so that I can also help you out with your skin type and your skin journey. So with that being said and all figure out, I guess, let's move into the next step. What are you supposed to look out in a skincare product? I mean your face cream. What are the things you should look out based on your own skin type? For dry skin, you need to go for deep hydrating products and barrier repair products. Look for products that contain either shea butter, ceramide, and also hyaluronic acid. These 3 ingredients are what you should be looking for in a product. Example of products you can use for is CeraVe moisturizing cream, which contain 3 ceramide. You can also go in with your Nivea Soft, which is my current moisturizer, my current face cream. I make use of Nivea Soft. Softer skin. And let me tell you this, Nivea Soft is budget friendly. It is very budget friendly, and it is my current moisturizer. For oily skin, go for lightweight, non-comedogenic and oil-free products. Look for ingredients like, because your skin is going to love ingredients like niacinamide, gel-based formula, and also salicylic acid. So these are the 3 things you need to be looking forward to in your face cream whenever you are purchasing them. Go for products like the Ordinary Natural Moisturizer Factor plus AH, or you go for Neutrogena Hydro Boost for oily skin. So for combination skin, you need a balanced hydration, but not too heavy. You need a lightweight moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Avoid thick occlusive cream. You can try La Roche-Posay, or you go for simple hydrating facial moisturizer or facial cream. For sensitive skin, you need calming ingredients, no alcohol, and no fragrance. You can go for ingredients like aloe vera, centella acetica, even ceramide. These are the 3 ingredients you can also be looking for in your face cream: centella acetica, aloe vera, and ceramide. You can either go for this moisturizer or you go for this moisturizer. You can go for any of these 2 products. If you're still unsure on what to get or your skin type, you can go for sample test or you go for patch test before buying the bigger size of this product. Remember that your skin can sometimes change due to weather or season. So you might have dry skin this season, and next season you might have oily skin or combination skin. It depends on your skin type or the season you are in. That will determine sometimes your skin type. It can also be based on of hormonal change. Hormones can also change your skin type, so be ready and be flexible about your skincare journey. Ready to explore different products based on the season or your hormones. Make sure you remember to drop your skin type down in the comment section, and I'm going to be recommending a product or a face cream that will suit your own skin type. So don't forget to do that down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't joined the community. If you have any question based on this particular topic, let me know down in the comment section, or based on your skin type or the skin issue you're having and you're finding it difficult to get a good face cream for your skin, drop it down in the comment section. Just drop it. I'm always down in the comment section, and I will immediately reply to your question or answer immediately I see your response in the comment section. And I'm going to see you all in the next very one. Remember to share this video with a friend and family that is finding it difficult to navigate about our skin type or our face cream. Let me know down in the comment section if you also find this video useful. I still remain your favorite guest, Sophia, and I'm going to see you all in the next very one. Stay blessed and peace. Bye.